Alright, so I'm a very heavy Google Photos user because I just love backing up my photos to the cloud, and maybe you do too. But have you ever run into the most annoying problem in the world, which is running out of storage? And let me tell you this right now, going through each and every photo and deleting them manually is one of the most annoying things to do and not a great way to spend your Friday evening. So if you use any services by Google, whether that's Gmail, Drive, or Photos, you're given a free 15GB plan, but that's combined. And that fills up really fast. And if you don't want to pay for extra storage, deleting old photos is the best way of clearing up that storage. In this video, you'll learn how to efficiently delete your pictures and videos, if not all of them, off of Google Photos in a step-by-step way, even if you're not tech savvy. Plus, I'll show you a tool that I use that makes all of this a lot easier, but that's later in the video, so let's dive in. Let's start with the manual method, and this is how you do it on your Mac. Step 1, open up your browser and go to photos.google.com and sign into your Google account. Then click on your first photo and scroll down to the bottom of the page. Hold Shift and click the last photo to select everything in between. And if you want to do a smaller range, you do the exact same thing, but you click up to the photo that you want to delete instead. Click the trash icon at the top and confirm deletion. The last important thing that you have to make sure you do is to go to your trash folder and click empty trash to permanently remove them. Otherwise, Google will actually keep those photos for an extra 60 days just in case if you want to bring it back. But if you wanted to delete them, they'll still be taking up that space until you click that empty trash button. And trust me, this method works, but if you have thousands of photos and you don't want to delete them all at once, like you're doing a couple ranges here, a couple ranges there, this could take a really long time. You can miss some things that you actually want to delete, or you might accidentally delete something that's very important. If your main goal is to free up space, I really recommend this app that I use called CleanMyMac. I personally love its cloud cleanup feature because it shows you the biggest space hoggers at a glance. Just connect your Google Drive account to get a clear overview of what's actually taking up your storage. You can instantly spot large and old files that you probably forgot about. Everything is sorted by size, so you don't have to hunt through folders. Just pick what you don't need and remove it. This program is especially useful if your Google Drive storage is full but you don't know why, you want a visual way to clean up, or if you don't want to manually select through hundreds of files to delete, which is very understandable. And if you want, there's a download link in the description box below if you want to try out CleanMyMac for a 7 free day trial. I highly recommend it. And now you know how to create space efficiently through your Google Photos, and if you learned something, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below, and hit that subscribe button for more pro Mac tips.